It was a downbeat thing. Anyway, it started out, and maybe some of you folks remember, we live our lives as a tale is told. Anybody recognize that? I don't even remember the name of the author, but there was that much in that line. And that's true. Every life has a story behind it. Every life that has ever lived on this earth, either good or bad, but there's a story. And that just reminded me of the rest of what that little line said that I memorized. The first line went, "We live our lives as a tale that is told. Bubbles we buy with a whole life's earnings." Now that was a downbeat, wouldn't you say? And that always, that's as far as I would memorize. I didn't want any more of that. But the line that followed, well, no, that was the line that followed. We did bubbles we buy with a whole life's earning. But it made me thankful for the writer in later times that wrote those few lines that said, and told us this about our life and time that we spend in this world. Only one life will soon be past. Only what's done for Christ will last. That had life and purpose in it. I like that. Mm-hmm. And I think that is covered up nicely with those inspired words from Proverbs. And you all know it, so say it with me. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct thy paths. Okay, thank you. I actually made a speech, didn't I?
Yes, you did.